Welcome to this channel, guys. In this video we're going to learn how to design this lovely flyer with Pixellab. Alright, before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new amazing videos. Alright, let's get started. Now what I'm going to do is that I have to change the size. You move over here, you move to image size. So from here the width is going to be 1280, the height is going to be 500. Click on done, click on good. Alright, this is the image size that we're going to work on. So I'm going to delete this. I don't need it now. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now is that I click over here. I want to change the color. The background color is going to be white. So this is white. Let me make sure that it's white. Alright, this is white. Good. When you're done, you click on good. Alright, so the next thing that we're gonna do now is that we need a shape. So this is the shape that we are going to make use of in this video. I'm going to choose this shape. Let's take color from here. So from here we're going to choose our color. So we choose our color from here. I think this color is good. This is lovely. When you're done, you click on good. Now let's increase the size and rotate it. We're gonna rotate it like this, 90 degree. Now we increase the size. Let's increase the size very well. Let's increase the size very well. Okay. Alright, I think this is good. Let me bring it inside more. Okay, I think this is good. Let me move to position and move it upward a bit. This is awesome. So the next thing that we are going to do now is that we are going to change. We're going to merge it with another object. Let's merge it with another object. I'm going to give it the same color, which is this color. So let me merge them together. Alright, this is good. So alright, now the next thing that we're going to do is that let's change the color. It shouldn't be this color. The color should be, let's say, something like black. Alright, so this is good. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that we need to add a texture over here. Let's add a texture there. Click on good. You move to texture. You need to move to texture. So when you move to texture, you're going to increase the scale. I think this is good. When you are done, you click on good. Alright. Now what you're going to do is that we come over here, you click here, you copy it. Now we have copied it. So the one behind, which is this one, let's remove the texture. You click on good. So this one, the one at the top, you move to opacity. I reduce the opacity. You click on good. So the one behind, which is this one, let's change the color. The color should be black. Okay, now the one at the top, let's increase the opacity more. I think this is good. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do, we need to bring out another object, which is this one. We are going to make use of this object now. So let's change the color. The color should be this. So let's bring it over here. Let me brighten the color. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do, we need to bring out our logo. Let me resize it. Okay, then move to crop. Let me zoom in. Let me lock these two and this one also. Okay, let's work on the logo. Alright, I think this should be white. Let's change the color to white. I think it should be white. Color to white. Let's change the color. Alright, this is good. Okay, let me bring out a text. You can write anything that you want. Let's change the font. Click on good. Remember, this is a demo. You can write anything of your choice. Anything that you wish to write, you can write it here. Let's change the color. Alright, I think this is good. Let's bring out a text. Let's change the font. Click on good. Let's change the color. Click on good. Let's copy it and bring it down over here. Now let's edit it. Let's copy it again and bring it down over here. Let's edit it. Let's copy it and bring it down over here. Let's edit it. Now let's set it properly. First, let me zoom in. Right, this one I'm going to reduce the size of it. So this one I'm going to increase the size of this one. It's going to be over here. This, I'm sorry. This I have to increase the size of it very well. Okay, this one has to be over here. Let me change the font. It has to be a different font. Okay, I think I have to use this font. Let me increase the size. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, this one has to be over here. Let me zoom in. Let's increase the size. Let me zoom out. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that let's merge it. Let's merge it. Let me zoom in. Alright, this is good. Okay, let's bring out another object. Should be blue. This. Okay, I think this is good. Zoom out. Okay, this is good. So let's bring out another test. Let's change the font. Let's change the color. Okay, let's merge two of them. Let's resize it. Perfect. This is awesome. This is awesome. We are getting there. We are really getting there. All right. So let's select this one. Let's move to shadow. Enable shadow. Let me zoom in. Let me increase the blur. Let me click on root. Zoom out. Okay, I think this is good. All right, now the next thing, we need another object. We need to bring another object. We're going to give it this color from here. Okay, this is stroke color from here. We're giving it this color. Okay, let me edit it. I think this should be the shape that we're going to use. I think I should lighten the color a bit like this. Alright, this color is okay. Okay, let me zoom in. Let me resize it. This is good. Now let's copy it and bring it over here. I think this should be white. This should be white. Okay, click on good. let's bring it inside here. I think this is good. Now let's measure it. Let's measure the two. So when we are done measuring it, we move over here, erase color. Let's erase the white color. Click on good. I think this is good. Now let's bring out another object. It's going to be this color. Okay, let me zoom in. Let's make sure that they are both the same size. I think they are the same size. Okay, now let's put it over here. Alright, this is nice. This is awesome. Now the next thing that we're going to do now is that let's bring out another shape. So it's going to be this shape. You click on good. Let's increase the size. Let's measure it with another object. Let me add a texture over there. Okay, let me flip it. Click on good. Move to texture. Click on enable. Click on good. Let me zoom in. I think it should be like this. Let me reduce the size a bit. Let's reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Then move to position. Okay, I think this is good. So let me copy it and bring it down over here. So when I'm done, let me resize it. So what I'll do now is that let me remove this texture. So I have to add a stroke, enable stroke, increase the stroke. Okay, now I move to shadow, enable. There's the blur. Go over here. There's this. There's it now. Alright, I think this is good. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. The next thing that we're going to do, we need another shape, which is this shape. Let's give it color, which is this color. It's going to be over here. Alright, now let's add a text. Let's change the font. Let's change the font. Click on OK. Spacing. Let me zoom in now. Let me so that I can see it very well. It should be here. Let me change the color. Color will be white. Let me zoom in. Let me lock these ones. I have to copy it and bring it over here. Let me change the font. Then move to spacing. Let me zoom out. Perfect. This is awesome. I think I have to copy it. Bring it over here. Let me change the color. Let me zoom in. Let's copy it and bring it over here. You can write anything you want. Let me zoom in. okay. Let me increase the size. Alright, this is good. Now the final thing, let's bring out a test. Alright, let's come over here, align, right, align. Let's change the font. I think this font is okay. Let me zoom in. Hide spacing. Line spacing. I think this is good. Now the color should be black. Okay, let me zoom in. Style, good. Alright, now let's bring out the shape. So this is the shape. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. I think this is okay. Let's copy it and bring it down over here. Let's copy it and bring it down over here. Let's copy it and bring it down over here. Let's zoom out. This is perfect. This is awesome. I think we are done. Now, when you are done, you come over here, click on save. You click on save as image. Make sure that you put it in ultra so that it's going to be very clear. Click on save. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, click the subscribe button and give a comment. See you soon.